Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to create, import, and export item sets in League of Legends. So without wasting any time, let's get started. To create an item list, first of all, open up the League of Legends client. Then click on the collection icon from the top bar. And then switch to the Items tab. Next, click on Create New Item Set and this page will come up. Now just click here to choose the champion you're making this item set for. You can also choose if the set will be shown when you're in Summoner's Rift or Howling Abyss. Now simply pick the items you want from this list and drag them to this block. And if you want to create separate item sets, just drag and drop your chosen items in the block below. You can also rename the item set and these blocks to your liking. After you're done, just click Save and you're done. Now to export this item set, open it up and then click on the export icon here. Then choose how you want to share this item set. You can copy it to the clipboard and then paste it in their inbox, or save it as a .json file and send it to your friend. And to import an item set, just click on this Import Item Sets icon from the Items tab. Then select how you want to import it. If you copied an item set from somewhere, just choose Paste Copied Set, then paste it in this box. It'll be copied right away and make a new item set. But if you've downloaded an item set, then pick the Select a File option. Then go to where the file is, then double click on it and the item set will be created for you. And that's about it guys. If the video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching!